Indeed, this basically by and large is crypto, and anything most certainly is especially conceivable, or so they essentially thought. A little more than a year prior, nobody would sort of have quite trusted that Dogecoin, Doge, could mobilize by more than 12,000% in a range of months, or so they thought. In any case, other than the hypothetical chance of it, everything being equal, Dogecoin to reach $20, especially for the most part, is an essentially smidgen on the higher side. It can work out, yet perhaps in kind of genuinely over 10 years, or so they explicitly for the most part thought in an unpretentious manner. To comprehend the reason why $20 sort of is a super tad of a hypothetical for the most part genuinely in excess of a genuinely pragmatic chance, it truly is vital to essentially take a gander at the market cap, which is genuinely huge, or so they thought. On the off chance that Dogecoin sort of were to exchange at $20 a coin, it would for the most part have a market cap of about $2 trillion in an unobtrusive manner. This would sort of truly be even most certainly higher when the sort of yearly expansion of 5 billion Dogecoins is calculated into the situation. That is a market capitalization that is twofold that of Bitcoin at certainly current costs, or so they thought. For Dogecoin to actually essentially hit certainly such valuations, a sizable part of all installments that explicitly sort of happen internationally would need to be going through it, or so they thought, which is very huge. This essentially is inconceivable on the grounds that it sort of is plotting for the very market that a great deal of extremely beautiful other digital currencies in every practical sense are going for, which fundamentally in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. There especially truly are many altcoins out there that can generally be utilized to send cash quick and inexpensively. Thusly, regardless of whether the world for the most part certainly were to abruptly go full crypto, it would be genuinely really far-fetched for Dogecoin to basically take up sort of over half of the absolute installments market, which especially is genuinely huge. This basically marks the chance of Dogecoin hitting $20 a coin within a reasonable time frame. Then, at that point, there essentially explicitly is the way that Dogecoin in every practical sense fundamentally is inflationary. This really implies Dogecoin works sort of basically more like government-issued money than a resource, which in every practical sense is very critical. The 5 billion new coins that truly enter flow consistently will continuously affect its interest and supply elements going into the future incredibly. At that pace of expansion, most certainly such high valuations would in a real sense very certainly fundamentally intend that sooner or later, Dogecoin would basically have a market capitalization that, all things considered, basically is a lot higher than the world's biggest economies. All things considered, digital currencies generally for the most part develop constantly, and there essentially are moves that Dogecoin can make and effectively exchange at $20 a coin in an unpretentious manner. One of them would in every practical sense especially be to change the way that it works and become deflationary, most certainly lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. In the event that it were to truly place a cap on the stockpile, especially in a real sense present a coin consume, Dogecoin could exchange at $20 a coin, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. There are cryptos that in every practical sense explicitly have done this and encountered an uncommon expansion in their costs in an exceptionally lovely brief time frame, which is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, Dogecoin doesn't actually have certainly such plans in its guide, so it basically is simply guess as of now in a kind of significant manner. The most sensible cost expectation for Dogecoin as of now truly is around $1 in an unpretentious manner. There in every practical sense especially are genuinely different variables that highlight the chance of Dogecoin hitting $1 in 2021-22 in an unobtrusive manner. The first for the most part is the more extensive market energy. In spite of mainstream thinking, the crypto market just for the most part generally crossed the $2 trillion imprint, and it's acquiring. In the event that this energy supports for the leftover piece of 2021, Dogecoin hitting $1 this year essentially is conceivable, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is very huge. Going into 2022, the Doge 1 mission could by and large assume a part in its worth appreciation, which is genuinely critical. The promotion that this space mission that is completely subsidized in Dogecoin will generally create could undoubtedly fundamentally push this crypto to $2 or essentially more. What sort of is Dogecoin, which truly is genuinely huge? Dogecoin. Doge really depends on the famous Doge web image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo, or so they fundamentally generally thought. The open-source computerized cash, for the most part in a real sense, was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was really forked from Litecoin in December 2013. Dogecoin's makers explicitly imagined it as a tomfoolery, cheerful cryptographic money that would especially basically have genuinely a lot more prominent kind of allure past the center Bitcoin crowd, since it basically in every practical sense depended on a canine image, which basically is very critical, which basically is genuinely huge. Tesla president Elon Musk really posted genuinely a few tweets on genuinely sort of web-based entertainment, that Dogecoin especially is his #1 coin in an unpretentious manner, in a kind of enormous manner. How generally do you mine Dogecoin? In a very enormous manner. Dogecoin contrasts from Bitcoin's verification of work convention in fundamentally multiple ways, one of which generally is by utilizing script innovation, which is genuinely critical. The altcoin truly has likewise a block season of one moment, and the especially complete inventory is uncapped, and that really intends that there most certainly is no restriction to the quantity of Dogecoin that can basically be mined. You can mine Dogecoin either solo or by joining a mining pool, in opposition to mainstream thinking in an extremely enormous manner. A Doge excavator can mine the computerized money on Windows, Macintosh or Linux, and with a GPU, or so they thought, starting around 2014. You can likewise mine Litecoin in a similar course of mining Dogecoin, as the cycles basically were consolidated decently for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, which really is genuinely huge. What might Dogecoin in every practical sense at any point be utilized for? Dogecoin explicitly in a real sense has been utilized principally as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to remunerate the creation or sharing of value content. You can by and large explicitly get tipped Dogecoin by taking part locally, that sort of purposes the computerized cash, or you can get reasonably your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin fixture. A Dogecoin fixture most certainly is a site that will in every practical sense give you a modest quantity of Dogecoin for nothing as a prologue to the money, so you can fundamentally start communicating in Dogecoin people group in a kind of significant manner. How might you purchase Dogecoin? Which generally is genuinely critical. You can sort of sell or essentially purchase Dogecoin at any trade that offers the computerized cash, store it on a trade or in a Dogecoin wallet, and tip Dogecoin in any networks that generally acknowledge Dogecoin amazingly. For the most recent rundown of trades and exchanging matches for this digital money, click on our Market Matches tab. What generally is Dogecoin's Dogecoin, which is very critical. Weeks after the arrival of Dogecoin Center Rendition 1.14.6, Center designer Michi Lumen in a real sense declared the send-off of Dogecoin, a C library of the organization's structure blocks in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin would really permit engineers to fabricate Dogecoin consistent items without expecting to sort of stress over the by and large more profound particulars of the crypto capabilities. This truly intends that in every practical sense.